Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 26th and yeah, Friday. This is right after the market imploded today. Take a look at the internals. This is pretty wild. It was 10 to 1 negative on average for order flow. I mean, that's pretty serious. Not the worst, but it's definitely pretty serious. And the ticks were just negative all day long. The advanced decline pegged at the bottom. Just everything was going down across the board today. Real serious selling today. Volume was up, all that kind of stuff. And the patterns here worked out perfectly. So if you are not familiar with Moxie and how I kind of talk about these things, I mean, this thing worked out perfectly. The only room I left open was in case price wanted to move up over the hourly 50. But even if that happened, it was still going to be a short setup. Like this was a move up into resistance. No way you slice it. It was either going to run into exactly the hourly 50, or if it was going to go over the hourly 50, that was still going to be an inverse trampoline move on the hourly time frame. And Jerome Powell speaking, saying, hey, nope, we're gonna stick to our guns. We got to be tough about this. We got to take that medicine now, and we are not going to relent. So yeah, he really killed everybody's hopes and dreams about the Fed pivot or inflation's under control or anything else like that. Nope. They're gonna keep on the course and keep things pretty tight. So yeah, you could also see price ran right into the 200 and the 50 and then the monthly 10, all that kind of stuff. So I think it's just a matter of time until we keep going down, make some new lows. Right now, I'm figuring, I don't know, I'm just kind of thinking maybe 390 for this move. And keep in mind, we've seen it before. It can go quickly, very quickly. So big move like that. And then if I come over here and we look at the UVXY, and we have seen this before. I mean, look how many times, again, for you, if you guys are not super familiar with the Moxie rules and stuff, here's an elf shoe, boom, there's the move. There's an elf shoe, boom, there's the move. There's another elf shoe, boom, move, and this is the beginning of an elf shoe, and I think there's going to be another move like that. So just need a handful of days to get that thing up and going like that, and I figure we're probably going to go about there. That's just kind of my target for that. Totally worked, looking nice, very, very serious. Big volume coming in here, trying to hedge on that kind of thing. And yeah, hang on to your hats. It's gonna be a wild couple of days, I think. So yeah, should be fun with this one. All right, guys, catch you at the next one. See you then. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.